In a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 5130, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that love for something can make someone deaf and blind. This means that loving something excessively can make someone blind and deaf to its defects and the negative effects it has on its lover, such as taking them away from the obedience of Allah, the Exalted. This involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, and is achieved when one fulfills his commands, refrains from his prohibitions, and faces destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This narration does not mean a Muslim should not care for things, but it means their love for something should never be excessive. This is when one's love takes them away from the obedience of Allah, the Exalted. This is the benchmark. If one's love for something or someone prevents them from using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, and instead encourages them to use them in vain or sinful ways, then it is bad for them, even if they do not realize it immediately. But if someone's love for something does not result in this, then it shows their love is not unhealthy. A Muslim must prioritize the obedience and love of Allah, the Exalted, over all else, as this will allow them to put all their worldly things and relationships in their rightful place in their life, and protect them from misusing the blessings they have been granted out of excessive love for something or someone else. Excessive love causes one to adopt blind loyalty towards their beloved. This encourages one to support their beloved in every situation, even if they are wrong. This loyalty can even overcome the loyalty one must have towards Allah, the Exalted. This blind loyalty can also encourage one to break the ties they have with people in order to please their beloved, ties which Allah, the Exalted, has commanded to maintain. A person can become so blind and deaf that they begin to love, hate, give and withhold all for the sake of their beloved, instead of for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. This leads to insincerity towards Allah, the Exalted. Insincerity to Him leads to misguidance, as one becomes easily accessible to the devil. Chapter 15 Al-Hijr, verses 39 to 40.
Iblis said, "My Lord, because you have put me in error, I will surely make disobedience attractive to them, i.e. mankind on earth, and I will mislead them all, except among them your sincere servants."
A Muslim should remember that no matter what they love, a day will certainly come when they will depart from it, or their feelings towards it will change, as love is a fickle thing. The only exception is the true love of Allah, the Exalted, which will only strengthen with the passing of time and grow stronger after death.